Hi there, Tony here, STARLINE Windows. Today's Window Wednesday, I'd like to showcase our Eurostar Mila entry door series. Now this door beside me is a side light door, side light combination. You can also get it in just a single side light if you'd like, and you can also get it with available transom type windows above it. Now the great benefit of this door here beside me is, well, aside from the glass options, you can get satin etched glass in it. You can get just regular clear low E units if you want that desired look. But two of the great features and benefits of this door system from STARLINE is the factory installed multi-point hardware, which makes it ease of use so you do not have to go buy some hardware and deadbolts and get them installed by your finisher. And the second greatest feature of this door is that all the finishing, both exterior and interior, are pre-finished in the factory, which again, ease of use for the contractor, do-it-yourself or builder, so you do not have to get a painter in to prep it, paint it, stain your door, etc., etc. So for any more questions, feel free to contact us through our website at www.starlinewindows.com, and you guys have a great day.